Lepushe Alliance. When the sky and earth were made, they were filled with good and evil, creatures of all kinds. The creatures fought for the best place on earth to call home. One major battle was on the Albanian Alps in the valley called Lepushe. Snow-peaked mountains, luscious green forests, and wide open pastures surround Lepushe. A large river cuts through the center of the valley, also known as the Lost Paradise Valley. It was the fairies of the mountain, monsters, animals, and humans that made the last stand. Humans and animals allied together to protect Lepushe at any cost because it was their paradise, and they had claimed it first. The fairies wanted the valley for themselves, and the monsters tried to destroy it all. The fairies made a pact with the humans and animals that the fairies would occupy and protect the peaks, the animals would protect the lower altitudes, and the humans would defend and protect the valley. Their alliance defeated the monsters' attack. Many century-old myths state that the fairy borders in the Alps are the point of no return. Lepushe remains one of the most beautiful places in the Northern Albanian Alps.